How to remove suntan from face and body naturally at home. Very simple suntan removal, magical skin whitening home remedies to get fair and glowing skin permanently. Though it may seem like a sunburn doesn't do much harm besides making you look like a roasted tomato, a really bad sunburned skin can not only hasten your age clock but also make you susceptible to skin cancer, so it is very important to get a sunburn relief from the excessive UV rays exposure of the sun. A really bad sunburn symptoms needs a good sunburn treatment, but my suggestion is to treat sunburn when it is mild and can be treated by some simple homemade sunburn remedies. Firstly, it is going to be a itchy sunburn, but with time you will see some growing sunburn rash. Now the question is how to get rid of sunburn redness or how to treat sunburn. Summers can be so much fun. Basking under the sun on the beaches, fishing, or simply having fun with friends in the warm and sunny weather. But this also be kept in mind that what is good for sunburn and what is not. Here we are demonstrating two simple home remedies for sunburn. We have put together the best tan removal home remedies that will surely help you get rid of sunburn. The last question is how long for sunburn to heal? Apply alternative days for a week. You will be benefited surely. There are lots of remedies on internet about how to get rid of sunburn redness overnight. But this is not true. You will need at least 3 days to get rid of sunburn fast. You should follow these remedies before experiencing itchy and painful rashes, commonly known as sunburn. Potato is also known for its mild bleaching and cleansing properties. Your skin will be lighter and refreshed after using this remedy. You should know what to do for sunburn before knowing about how to make sunburn go away. Always keep your skin moisturized, drink extra water, avoid exposure to the sun and apply these home remedies. These are effective suntan removal home remedies. But as everyone says, prevention is better than cure. You can use this one routinely so that to get relief from the itchiness and redness of sunburn quickly. It is very easy to prepare this pack, as all the ingredients are easily available in your kitchen closet. They are also effective in lightening the redness caused due to sunburn. This is the most simple and effective remedy on how to soothe and heal sunburn fast. To get relief from sunburn, you don't need to run to the drugstore. All you need to do is to use this miraculous home remedies for sunburn relief. The question also coming to your mind that how long does it take for a sunburn to heal? And the answer is same as the previous one. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty. Thank you.